You think all living things can't escape birth, old age, there is such a creature on death. It doesn't die of old age. In theory, it could live forever. When it hurts, hunger and aging, it won't die. Instead, the restart button will become a baby, live again. The image in your mind. Transparent body like jelly, red kernel. Floating in the sea, floating is real. But his true horror, you can't imagine. He has no brain, no heart, no bones, no eyes. But he can be human. Something I've been dreaming about for thousands of years. He's the lighthouse jellyfish, Teratosis dashnani. But the world is more familiar with his nickname, the immortal jellyfish, the only known theory of eternity on Earth. Raw creature. In 1988, 2 German biology students, we collected lighthouses in the Mediterranean. Water celestial stream of jellyfish. Observe, in the laboratory, they watched the water lamp aspirate and replicate itself, shed from adult jellyfish. Then, something weird happened. After a few days without breeding, a large number of new pond suction bodies suddenly appeared in the normal jellyfish is a one-way street through its life. From fertilized egg to larva, to the pond, to suck, to the adult jellyfish, to breed, to death. But the lighthouse jellyfish don't go that way. When he is hungry, when injured or aging, shrinks into a ball, like a jelly ball. You revert to your infancy. Do it all over again, and it's not a one-time thing. In theory, as long as the environment is suitable, he can repeat it infinitely. This means that the lighthouse jellyfish has the ability to live almost forever. But truth is weirder than legend. The price he paid for immortality, humans can never bear. This is no ordinary sea creature. It's a member of the parasitic pond, fluke tank. The body length is only 4 to 5 minutes. It is equivalent to a pearl on your fingernail. Inside the transparent, jelly-like body, the red digestive system is clearly visible, swimming like a drifting lighthouse. His umbrella source has 90 to 150 edged tentacles. These tentacles are slender, curl up. Hidden stinger. Small fish and shrimp turn into seafood sashimi when touched. The average jellyfish has a one-way life, but the lighthouse jellyfish broke the mold. Scientists first recorded him in 1883, but it wasn't until 1988, more than 100 years later, his ability to live forever was discovered by accident. But he's not the kind of immortal you think. He's more of a theoretical immortal. As long as you don't get eaten, do not get infected, not killed by the environment, he can cycle life indefinitely. And in the natural environment, it's almost impossible. And what's really scary when you think about it is this one has no brain, no heart. Creatures without any organs. How did you achieve immortality? The answer lies in something called cellular transformation, the mechanism of differentiation. When the lighthouse jellyfish is hungry, physical damage, during natural aging or other crises, it initiates this program. Specialized cells in adult jellyfish, such as tentacle cells, digestive cells, will be reversed, develops into cysts resembling pluripotent stem cells. These stem cells are then genetically selectively expressed, transform into another specialized cell. For example, water is the wall cells of the body when it absorbs. The whole process, it's like demolishing an already built house. Use original materials, rebuild a completely different structure of a house. The body of the lighthouse jellyfish huddles first. Tentacles slowly degenerate. Medium powder gradually dissolves. It eventually forms a spherical capsule and sinks to the bottom of the sea. After 24 to 72 hours, the capsule resprouts the suction body of the new water stool. After the new water body finds the attachment surface, shed off again with new adult jellyfish. Then, repeat the cycle. And here's what's even scarier. This reversal process, it can occur at any stage of the jellyfish's growth, including adulthood that has completed reproduction. That is to say, even if you are already a father and mother, he can still reverberate into a baby state with one click. Scientists have identified the root cause of this, the genes that play a key role in 2022. A research team from the University of Oviedo in published Lighthouse, boxing set of jellyfish, found him in the process of reversing. It regulates a range of processes related to DNA repair, stem cell pluripotency, and longevity. Associated gene networks includes SIRT3, RTL1, HSP7090, etc. But there's a fatal problem here. This ability, anthropology doesn't cover. To really understand the weirdness of the lighthouse jellyfish, you have to understand every part of him. How are the details designed? Let's look at his digestive system first. The lighthouse jellyfish has no intestines, no anus. He's got a red tube. It's all his digestive organs. This vertical tube has a cross-section, about 2/3 of the depth of the internal scattered cavity. What does he eat? Plankton, fish eggs, small false. After the sting cells on the tentacles paralyze the prey, the tentacles pull the food towards the vertical tube. The water pipe directly absorbs nutrients. Waste comes out wherever it comes in. The same opening is both mouth and anus. And look at the tentacle system. The scattered source of the lighthouse jellyfish consists of 90 to 150 fringe These tentacles, stretching out from the tightly packed tentacles, slender and curled up surface of each tentacle, dense with thousands of stinging cells, a miniature harpoon containing venom. When prey touches tentacles, the stinging cell will be released in 1/1 million shooting barbed needles, injecting neurotoxins, instantly paralyzed small fish and shrimp. Looking at his motor system, the lighthouse jellyfish has no muscle fibers. His swim by the contraction and relaxation of the bulk body. So he starts to pull the bulk apart. Inhale seawater, then it contracts violently. Squirt water out. Use the reaction force to advance. But his athletic ability is extreme. Most of the time, it's just drifting, like a floating jelly. Look at his nervous system. The lighthouse jellyfish has no central nervous system. There is only one walking in the neural network of the scattered a primitive neural network. Only the simplest stimuli can be processed. He doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know why it needs to be restarted. I don't know I'm living forever. All his actions, it's all genetically programmed. Let's look at the true price of his immortality. Every rejuvenation. Lighthouse jellyfish consume a lot of energy. During the reversal, he can't eat, unable to reproduce, unable to defend against predators, in a state of extreme fragility. And here's what's even weirder. A lighthouse jellyfish, in the process of reversing, can split into hundreds of water ungulates. And these water are aspirated. They grow into hundreds. Genetically identical, new jellyfish. It's not immortality. It's breaking ourselves to pieces. Make hundreds of clones. These organs fit together. What creature was created? One has no brain, no heart, no eyes, no muscles, even creatures without mouths, but biologically immortal? This is no ordinary jellyfish. He's a bug that evolved. But what about this bug? Instead, it became his curse. Lighthouse jellyfish can be limitless in the laboratory, cycle reversal, but in the real ocean, he has little chance of achieving immortality. He is a fish, turtle heck, crustaceans and countless other predators. When he was in the puddle aspiration stage, it's plant-like, powerless in the face of predators. Once eaten, cells are destroyed. The reversal process is over. And here's what's even weirder. This immortal creature is using humans, the silent invasion of the world's oceans. The lighthouse jellyfish is native to the Mediterranean Sea, but now it has spread to temperate and tropical regions around the world. Waters. How did he do it? Hidden in the ballast of an ocean-going vessel, being transported from one port to another. When ballast water is pumped into the hold, lighthouse jellyfish are inhaled together. In the dark, in a cold and hypoxic warehouse, other creatures will die, but not the lighthouse jellyfish. He initiates the reversal procedure, back to a beach stream. Go to sleep, waiting to be released into new waters. Then wake up again, grow again, diffuse again. DNA analysis revealed from Panama to Japan, from Florida to the Mediterranean, lighthouse jellyfish in different seas. They're genetically almost identical. This is the case in recent decades. Favorable evidence of rapid spread. A creature that doesn't die is quietly taking over the Earth's oceans. Its rapid reproduction and customization capabilities. This could place competitive pressure on native species, altering the food web structure of marine ecosystems. Those who used to undead jellyfish that can only be seen in laboratories. It has now been discovered offshore of Qingdao and Yantish. Massive outbreak. Even use a mineral water bottle to shake it a few times in the water. Capture. In a sense, the immortality of the lighthouse jellyfish. Achieve our meaning in life. The most profound torture. If he could live forever. What is the meaning of his life? No brain. He will not be happy without a heart. He feels no love, no memory. Each restart is cleared. All past experiences are zero. This immortality is not a gift. It was imprisonment. He is trapped in infinite reincarnation, can never move forward, can never accumulate. It can never be anything more. And we humans may grow old. You get sick, you die, but we will. Creation will love, will leave a mark. Our lives are short, so every day has meaning. And what's really scary when you think about it is this. Why do we so long for immortality? It's because we're afraid of dying. Or is it because of our obsession with more time? If we really achieve immortality, the price is loss of memory, loss of identity. Lose yourself. It's like the lighthouse jellyfish. Every reboot turns back to a blank sheet of paper. Are we still willing